So good morning student. Today welcome to the math class. We'll discuss the important questions on perimeter. Please see the previous video of perimeter, then go through this video. Okay. So what is given in this question? There is a triangle ABC. You have to find the perimeter of the triangle. Just pause the video and find the answer of this question. So I hope all of you have done the answer. It is a very easy question. So just add the sides AB, BC and CA and you will get the answer as 14 centimeter. Let's move to the next question. The question is, find the perimeter of the rectangle of length 10 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. You know the formula of the rectangle, that is 2L, 2 into length, L for length and plus 2 into breadth. Use this formula and find the perimeter of the rectangle. Pause the video and do it. So I hope many of you have done the answer because you know the formula 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Just multiply 2 into 10 plus 2 into 3. The answer is 26 centimeter. Hope it is clear. Move to the next question. Here the question is given. Find the perimeter of square with side 25 whole 1 by 2 centimeter. What is the formula? The formula is 4 into side. To find the perimeter of the square, the formula is 4 into side because in the square all the sides have same length. So just multiply the side with 4, you will get the answer. So please pause the video and solve it. So it was a little tricky question. So the solution is in front of you. Just take the whole number 25 and multiply it with 4 and take this fraction and multiply it with 4. Just add it. 4 into 25 is 100. Then half into 4 or 1 by 2 into 4. 4 into 1, 4 by 2. Just make it into a proper fraction. Sorry, make it into a simplest form, that is 2. 100 plus 2 is 102. So this was the question. This is a very important question, but a tricky question. Please take care. This is a very important question which many of you don't know. So I will tell you the question now. The answer of the question. Please listen carefully. In this question, perimeter is given 26 meter. Length of the rectangle is given 8 meter. And breadth is not given. It is asking about the breadth. So you know the formula of the perimeter. P is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Yeah. So here perimeter is given 26 centimeter. So just put this 26 centimeter over here. 26 centimeter. And just multiply this length into 2. 8 into 2 is 16. So just minus or subtract it with 16 meter. Sorry, it is not centimeter, it is meter. Just cut this meter. 16 meter. The answer is 10 meter. Yeah. Then the answer came 10 meter. Then divide this 10 meter by 2. You will get the breadth. That is 5 meter. Again, I am repeating the process what I have done. Perimeter formula, you know, 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Forget this formula. Multiply with the length or breadth. If breadth is given, then multiply 2 with the breadth. If length is given and breadth is asked, multiply 2 with the length and subtract with the perimeter. Perimeter के साथ उसे subtract कर देना है. तो आंसर जो आएगा उसको फिर 2 से डिवाइड करना है. उसके बाद तुम्हें अपना आंसर मिल जाएगा. I think you got it. Practice like this question 2 or 3 like this. Take the breadth and breadth is given. You have to find the length. So same thing. Subtract the uh, perimeter by the 2 into breadth and divide it by 2. You will get this length or breadth that you want. Next question. It is also like this question is also a very tricky question, but easy than the previous one. What is given in the question? The question it is given that perimeter is 28 centimeter. So to get the length of one side, you have to just divide it by 4. That much only you have to do, nothing more. Just divide it by 4. You will get the answer as 7. Just this much. I have got one more question for you about the triangle. This is also a very easy one. So just pause your video and try to solve the question, but I am solving it now. So what is the perimeter of the triangle? Sum of all the sides. So perimeter is how much? Sum of all the sides. Yes, as you all know. How to find the length of the unknown side? Just add these two given side. It is how much? 3 plus 2 is 5. And subtract QR. I am finding the length of QR. QR equal to 9 minus 3 plus 2. How much? 5. The answer is 4 centimeter. Very easy one, this one. Just add the two given sides and subtract with the perimeter. You will get the answer. Come to the next question. This is also a very tricky question. I'm telling the answer now as I'm running short of time. You just try it. Pause the video and try it. The perimeter of the given figure is given. It is very easy. Suppose this is Q, R, S, T. The perimeter of the given figure is QT plus QR plus RS plus ST. So the answer 5 plus 6, 5, sorry, 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 1. So it is 7, 14 centimeter. One thing you remember here, you will not add this one, this diagonal, this present inside the figure, the line which is inside the figure, you will not add in the perimeter. Why you will not add? Because perimeter means the length of the boundary. Just add the boundary, not the inner one. I have told to do the perimeter of QRST, you will just do this one, the boundary. So I have given it 2, 5, 6, 1. I have not added 7 over here. I have given it with 2 QRST, 2, 5, 6, 1. We will not add the diagonal. Please remember this question is a guarantee question in your examination. And if you like the video, if you like the class, kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the next videos. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.